Today we will discuss example 8.11. Example 8.11, very simple one. Find with a dot b when we want a dot b value. First one questions given. With a values given, with a equal to cap I minus cap j plus 5 cap k given. Then second vector, vector b is equal to 3 cap I minus here 2 cap k given. Okay, we want vector a dot vector b. Okay, how to find? First we can write vector a value. Now write here cap I minus cap j plus 5 cap k. Now put here dot product into what is b vector 3 cap I. Here j vectors no, means we put here 0. We add here 0 cap j like this, right? Okay, minus 2 cap k like this, right? Okay, so that's equal to, now the like vector coefficients only multiply. Here I coefficient 1, here I coefficient 3. So 1 into 3 we get 3. Okay, then j coefficient here minus 1, here 0. So minus into plus minus, here 1 into 0 we get 0 only. So minus 0. Minus 0 or plus 0, no problem. Okay, then here plus 5, then minus 2, plus into minus minus, 5 to 10. That's all. So that's equal to, okay, 3 minus 10. That's equal to 3 minus 10. We get minus 7. That's all. This is vector A dot vector B value. Okay, we get minus 7. Then second one, what is vector A value? A is equal to, the point is given. Vector A and vector B represent the points. So we make a vector form. Okay, here 2, 3 minus 1 means 2 into we multiply cap I vector. Plus 3 means we put plus 3 cap j. Then minus 1 means we put minus 1 into k minus k cap k like this, right? Then same like this vector b equal to, what is the point? Minus 1, 2, 3 means minus 1 into cap I multiply minus cap I. Then plus 2 cap j. Then plus 3 cap k like this, right? Okay, now we can find vector A dot vector B. That's equal to, what is A vector? 2 cap I plus 3 cap j minus cap k. Close the bracket. Next is put a dot product. Compulsory put a notation. Okay, the minus cap I plus 2 cap j plus 3 cap k. Okay, now multiply. Like coefficient only multiply. Okay, what is like coefficient here? I coefficient 2, there I coefficient minus 1. So that's equal to 2 into minus 1, we get minus 2. Then j coefficient here plus 3, there plus 2. So plus 3 2s are 6. Plus 6. Then here k coefficient minus 1, there plus 3. So minus into plus minus 3 1s are 3. So that's equal to minus 3 minus 3, we get minus 5 plus 6. So that's equal to minus 5 plus 6, we get 1. That's all. This is vector A dot vector B value, we get 1. That's all. Then next is on example 8.12. Very easy one. Listen. How to find example 8.11. Find vector A plus 3 vector B dot 2 vector A minus vector B. What is given vector? First we can write given vector A is equal to cap I plus cap j plus 2 cap k. Then vector b equal to 3 cap I plus 2 cap j minus cap k given. Okay, we want to find vector a plus 3 vector b dots 2 vector a minus vector b. Okay, now right here again we write here, listen here, vector a plus 3 vector b, close the bracket, put in dot products into 2 vector a minus vector b. That's equal to, now right here, first you take vector a, multiplying both terms. Okay, here vector a dot, here a quotient 1, here a quotient 2, so 1 into 2 we get 2, vector a dot vector a, like this side. Okay, then next vector a, here also quotient 1, here minus 1, we have to plus into minus, minus 1 into vector a dot vector b. Then next we take plus 3b vector, multiplying both sides, both terms. Okay, so plus into minus, minus, here 3, here 2, coefficient 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, into 6, we put plus sign. Okay, here also plus, here also plus, we put plus sign, 3 2s are 6, then vector a dot b or b dot a, like this, right, a dot b. Then next thing here plus, here minus, plus into minus, minus, here coefficient 3, there coefficient 1, 3 into 1 we get 3, here also b, here also b, we put here vector b dot vector b. That's all. Again simplification, that's equal to 2 into vector a dot vector a. Then here vector a minus vector a dot b plus 6 vector a dot b. So here same value, a dot b, here also a dot b, here 6 times have, here minus 1 times have. So minus 1 plus 6 we get plus 5. Plus 5 vector a dot vector b minus 3 vector b dot vector b. Okay, now write substitute here, that's equal to 2 into, what is vector a value? Cap I plus cap j plus 2 cap k. Now close the bracket, again we put a dot product, into again we write a vector. Okay, a vector a dot vector means the 2 terms right here, cap I plus cap j plus 2 cap k. Then next plus 5 into, what is vector a value? Now put here, cap I plus cap j plus 2 cap k dot, what is b value? 3 cap I plus 2 cap j minus cap k. Okay, then next minus 3 into, what is b value? 3 cap I plus 2 cap j minus cap k. Again write, now put in dot product into 3 cap I plus 2 cap j minus cap k. Okay, again simplify. That's equal to 2 into, now right here, the both vectors put in dot product, like coefficients only multiply. Here I quotient 1, here I quotient 1, 1 into 1 we get 1, I dot I we get 1 only, so 1 into 1 we get 1. Next here j coefficient plus 1, there j coefficient plus 1, so we get plus 1. Then here k coefficient plus 2, there also plus 2, so plus 2 into 2 we get 4, plus 4. That's all. Next again plus 5 into, here also like coefficients only multiply. Here I quotient 1, there 3, 3 into 1 we get 3. Okay, this j coefficient here 1, there plus 2, so plus 2 ones are 2. Then k coefficient here plus 2, there k coefficient minus 1, plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2, so minus 2. Okay, then next you get minus 3 into, now multiply it, I quotient 3, there I quotient 3, 3 these are 9, plus 9. Then you take j quotient plus 2, there also plus 2, so plus into plus plus 2 2s are 4. Then here minus k quotient minus 1, there also minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 1 7. Okay, then next one, that's equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4, it is 6. Okay, so then it's plus 5 into, here plus 2 minus cancel, we get 3 only. Then minus 3 into 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14. Again simplify, this is 2 6 are 12, plus 5 these are 15, plus into minus minus 14 into 3. 4 these are 12, remaining 1, 3 ones are 3, remaining 1, add 1, 3 plus 1 we get 14. If 14 is we get 42. So that's equal to, now add here also plus 12, here also plus 12, and plus 15, now add 5 plus 2 we get 7, 1 plus 1 gets 2, minus 42. 27 minus 42 we get okay. So listening here 42 minus 27. Here 2, here smallest value, here biggest value means not subtracting. See next you borrow 1 10, you put 12. Okay, so 12 minus 7 we get 5. Here remainder 3 only have, 3 minus 2 we get 1. So 27 minus 42 we get minus, the biggest number 42, that's why we put minus, the minus 15, that's all. Okay, the next example 8.13, very easy one is an example 8.213. If we get a value is given, at a equal to 2 cap I plus 2 cap j plus 3 cap k. At b values is equal to minus cap I plus 2 cap j plus cap k, then c value 3 cap I plus cap j given. Okay, k terms nothing but we add plus 0 k like this. Okay, b such that a plus lambda into vector b is perpendicular to c vector. So this vector perpendicular to vector c means then find the lambda value. So both vectors at a plus lambda vector b and c both perpendicular to each other means we find the lambda value. Find the lambda value. Again, condition you vector a, vector b, the both vectors perpendicular means the dot product. The a dot vector b, we get equal to 0. This is one property. So using this property here, okay, a b both perpendicular means the dot product is equal to we get 0. So this condition will here follow. Okay, so here with a plus lambda vector b, this vector, and c vector perpendicular means with a plus lambda vector b, close the bracket, put dot, vector c equal to 0. That is it. The two vectors corresponding means what is the condition? To two vectors dot product will get 0. Okay, this is the condition. Now substitute here. That's equal to, what is it, a value? Now multiply here. What is a value here? 2 cap I plus 2 cap j plus 3 cap k. Now plus lambda into, what is b value? Minus cap I plus 2 cap j plus, take away the lambda also multiplying inside. So here minus means you to minus lambda cap I, okay, then plus 2 lambda cap j, then plus lambda cap k. Close the brackets. Now dot, putting dot notation. What is c vector value? 3 cap I plus cap j plus 0 cap k. Okay, that's equal to, we take 0. Now listen here, next one. Here first term, here light terms only grouping first. Here 2 cap I, here minus lambda cap I. Now right here. Now write grouping, okay. 2 cap I minus lambda cap I. What is the j terms here? Plus 2 cap j plus 2 lambda cap j. Then k terms here plus 3 cap k plus lambda cap k. Now close the bracket, put in dot product notation. Now write here c vector. 3 cap I plus cap j plus 0 cap k equal to 0. Now again simplify here. Here also cap, here also cap by means we take commonly. Cap I into, what is the remaining terms? 2 minus the lambda. Then here also we take commonly j vector. Cap j plus cap j we take common. What is the remaining terms here? 2 plus 2 lambda. Then next we take plus k commonly. What is the remaining terms here? 3 plus lambda only. Next we put bracket. Next we put here dot product into 3 cap I plus cap j plus 0 cap k equal to 0. Go further. Right hand side equal to 0 only. The next term, next step. Now multiply like coefficients only. Here I coefficient minus 2 minus lambda into here I coefficient 3, you do 3. Then you put plus sign. Here k coefficient 2 plus 2 lambda into here j coefficient 1, we put 1. Then here k coefficient 3 plus now put here plus 3 plus lambda into here k coefficient 0. That's equal to right 0. Now multiply 3 into 2, 3 to 6 minus 3 lambda. Now put here 1 into 2 plus 2 lambda, the same answer will come. So plus 2 plus 2 lambda. Okay, then 0 into 3 plus lambda, we get 0 only. So nothing but, now put equal to 0. Now here 6 plus 2, we get 8. Okay, minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda, I give with minus lambda equal to 0. Then minus lambda change to right side. So 8 equal to lambda. This we want a lambda value, so therefore lambda equal to, we get 8. That's all. Okay, very simple one is it. Okay, next one 8.14. How to find 8.14? example 8.14. Here mod of vector A plus B equal to mod of vector A minus B. Prove that vector A and B are perpendicular. We prove that A and B are perpendicular. What is given? Statement, what is given? Here mod of vector A plus B is equal to mod of vector A minus B is given. We prove that A and B are perpendicular. That's the question. Okay. So easy one will listen here. Here taking square on both sides. First we taking square on both sides. Okay. Now taking mod of vector A plus vector B whole square equal to mod of vector A minus B whole square. Here A minus B whole square formula we have. Now we expand. Mod of vector A square plus mod of vector B square plus 2 into vector A dot vector B, like this. Some property, no? So that is equal to, here right hand also we can write A minus B equals to form. So mod of vector A square plus A square plus B square, mod of vector B square minus 2 into vector A, compulsory we put dot product notation, okay? Vector B. Like this is everybody correct. Now listen here. Here left hand is also mod of vector A square, right hand also plus mod of vector A square. Now cancel. Then mod of vector B square here also have, here also have. Now cancel. What is the remaining term? Here left hand side 2 into vector A dot vector B equal to right hand side minus 2 into vector A dot B. Then right hand term change to left hand side. So we get 2 vector A dot vector B plus 2 into vector A dot vector B equal to 0. Here you get A dot B 2 times, here also 2 times. So add means we do 2 plus 2 will be 4. So you get 4 vector A dot vector B dot equal to 0. Then number, numerical number 4 change to right side. So vector A dot vector B, that's equal to 0 divided by 4. That's 0 divided by 4 gets 0. So vector A dot B equal to get 0 means both vectors are perpendicular. Hence, that's okay. So here vector A dot B value we get 0 means therefore so two vectors vector A perpendicular to vector B, both vectors perpendicular to each other. Hence true. Hence true. That's all. Okay, hence true. The next question. Question number example 15. This is also 2 mark question, very important. Listen here. Example 8.15. What is given for any vector R? We take any vector R. Prove that vector R equal to R cap I in cap I plus R dot cap J plus vector R dot cap K. How to prove? First we take a letter R. We take any vector R. This vector we put x cap I plus y cap j plus z cap k for any vector R. You can write it like this. Vector R is equal to x cap I plus y cap j plus z cap k. Okay. Now here left hand side, see here the right hand side. Here first term bracket value first you take vector R dot cap I. First you take the terms, okay. Right hand side and the bracket terms only first you take. Vector R dot cap I equal to, so to find here R value we put x cap I plus y cap j plus z cap k. Now close the bracket, put in dot product into cap I. That's equal to, here I quotient x, here I quotient 1. So now multiply like only 1 into x we get x. Here j have, but here j not here means due to 0 only. So nothing much. K also here Z coefficient Z will have their value not given. So nothing but, so value 0, so nothing but. So we get X only. The same like this. Second term bracket value with R dot vector J, that's equal to. Okay, how to write here? What is R value? X cap I plus Y cap J plus Z cap K. Now close the bracket. Put in dot product into cap J. So that's equal to, here I coefficient X, there I terms not given. So 0, okay, nothing but. Next here Y J coefficient Y, there J coefficient to 1. 1 into Y get Y. J also nothing but. So we get 0 only. So finally we get vector R dot cap J equal to Y. Here vector R dot cap I, we get X. The same like this. Third term bracket terms, vector R dot vector K equal to, what is R value? X cap I plus Y cap J plus Z cap K. Now close the bracket, put in dot product into K cap K. Now like this. Here I term X, there I terms no, so nothing but 0 only coming. So here also J term Y have, there no J terms, so 0 only have, so nothing but. So next here K coefficient Z, here K coefficient 1, so 1 into Z we get Z only. Okay, so now right here this is vector R dot cap K value, we get Z only. Now take RH term. What is RHS? First we take RHS. That's equal to vector R dot cap I into cap I plus vector R dot cap J into J plus vector R dot cap K into K. Okay, so that's equal to, what is vector R dot cap I value? We get X into cap I. Then plus what is R dot cap J value? We get Y into cap J. Okay, then plus what is vector R dot cap K value? We get Z. So Z cap K. So finally we take the X cap I plus Y cap J plus Z cap K, we put small vector R. This is LHS. We take RHS before LHS terms. Okay, hence further sum. Hence prove. Okay, then next one, example 8.16. Very easy one, important sum is in here. Angle between two vectors. How to find angle between two vectors? How do you know formula? What is given vectors? You find the angle between vectors. In example 8.16. Here first vector we take small vector A. Let small vector A equal to, we put the name small vector A. Okay, 5 cap I plus 3 cap J plus 4 cap K. And second vector name we put B equal to 6 cap I minus 8 cap J minus cap K. Okay, we want the angle between two vectors. What is the formula angle between two vectors? So cos theta equal to, here dot product means we put cos theta. Okay, this cross product, dot product only given. So we can put cos theta equal to mod of vector A dot vector B divided by mod of vector A mod of vector B. Finally we want theta only angle. So finally the cos change to right side. So finally change. Listen here. Now right here. So cos theta equal to mod of, what is A value? 5 cap I plus 3 cap j plus 4 cap k. Now close the bracket, put in dot product into what is b value? 6 cap I minus 8 cap j minus cap k. Okay, divided by what is mod of vector a value 5 cap I plus 3 cap j plus 4 cap k. And mod of what is b value? Vector b value 6 cap I minus 8 cap j minus cap k. Okay, now how to find it is here. That's equal to. Now first we simplify numerator side. Here like I will say here a vector dot vector b means how to multiply. Here like coefficient only multiply. Here I coefficient 5, here I coefficient 6. So 5 into 6. 5 is 30. Put here 30. Okay, next here j coefficient 3, there j coefficient minus 8. Okay, so plus into minus minus 8 is 24. Now put here 24. Okay, next here k coefficient plus 4, there minus 1. Plus into minus minus 4 ones are 4. Now put in notation, pyramidal notation, divided by how to find mod of this vector. So square root of, put here square root of what's I coefficient 5, put here 5 square. Then 2 plus notation, what is 3, j coefficient 3, we put 3 square. How do you know? So plus what is k coefficient 4, we do 4 square. Okay, then again here, next we get the root of, square root of, what is b vector ij coefficient 6, we do 6 square, plus minus 8 square, plus minus 1 square, minus 1 square. Okay, so that's equal to, so cos theta is equal to here mod of 30 minus 24 minus 4, we get minus 28. Okay, divided by square root of 5 square, we get 25, plus 3 square, we get 9, plus 4 square, we get 60. Okay, then next square root of 6 square, we get 36, plus minus 8 whole square, minus into minus plus 8, it's 64, we go to 64. Then plus minus 1 square, we get 1 only. Okay, so that's equal to 30 minus 28, we get 2 only. Mod of 2, mod of 2, we get 2 only. Okay, divided by the square root of, now what is here? 25 plus 9 plus 60. Okay, so 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, we put it 20. Remainder 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, we get 50. Okay, then next here, square root of, now here 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, we put 11, 2, 1, remainder 1, 1 plus 7, 7 plus 3, we get 10. Okay, now right here, that's equal to, so here in the 50, how to separate this value, root 50, now this end, that's equal to, numerator no change, 2 divided by root 50, we find 25 into, now 5 into 5 into 2 like this, right? 5 into 5 into 2, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 2 we get 50 only. Here no change, 101 only put here. Then that's equal to 2 divided by Here root 5 into root 5, we take 1 5 only. 5 into root 2, like this, right? Here square root means, here 2 5 means we take 1 5. Here remaining 2 only, put root square, that like that. Okay, already know. So the square root of 101. Here this the 2 values, the root value change. Okay, here 2 means we cancel this root value, means here 2 we can write root into root 2, like this, right? Root into root 2 we get 2 only. The 2 we change right here like this, root into root 2 divided by 5 root 2 into root 101. Now cancel the root into root 2, cancel. Finally we get root 2 divided by 5 into root 101. Okay, so finally we want theta value. Okay, theta means angle between two vectors, means theta only angle. Okay, so the cos change to right side. How to write? So finally we can write that's equal to theta equal to cos inverse of into brackets into root 2 divided by 5 into square root of 101. That like it. This is angle between two vectors. Theta equal to cos inverse root 2 divided by 5 into square root of 101. ஓகே, ஸோ இங்கே வந்து சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண முடியுது நம்மளுக்கு. இங்கே ரூட்டு ஏன் கேன்சல் பண்ணால் இங்கே ரூட் வரக்கூடாது, ஏன்னா இங்கே 2 இருக்கிறனால நம்ம எதாவது கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம். அதனால இந்த ரூட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், இந்த 2 ரூட் இன்ட்டு ரூட்டுன்னு எழுதிருக்கோம். ஓகேங்களா, எழுதுன பின்னாடி ரூட்டும் கேன்சல் ஆகுது. சப்போஸ் கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியலன்னா அதை அப்படியே வச்சிடலாம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். இப்போ 101 இருக்குன்னா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் 101 இது நம்ம மாற்றினா கூட நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியாது, அதனால் அதை அப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும். பட் இங்கே வந்து சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ அதனால் வந்து என்ன, இந்த 2 வந்து நம்ம ரூட்டுன்னு போடணும். ரூட் இன்ட்டு ரூட்டு 2 தானே. ஸோ அப்போ இந்த ரூட்டு கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். ஓகே, அப்போ அந்த நியூமரேட்டரில் அந்த டினாமினேட்டர் ரூட் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு இல்லாமல் போயிடும். தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஸோ ஃபைனலி we get theta equal to cos inverse of root 2 divided by 5 into root of 101. That's all. Okay. Okay, here any doubt, discuss with me. Thank you.